Hello, and welcome to Excel Events. With Excel Events, you can create different types of sessions: main stage, regular, workshop, and networking. Main stage and regular sessions have the same features except for these two differences. First, a main stage session cannot overlap with another main stage session. In this example, we have a main stage session scheduled from 2 to 3 p.m. The next main stage session that we can schedule is at 3 p.m. The difference for regular session types is that we can have more than one session starting at the same time. Secondly, when you go to access the Main Stage tab on a live session, you'll be able to see the session right away. If you access the Regular Session tab, you will need to click the Join button in order to see the current live session. You typically use main stage and regular sessions when you have live speakers on stage sharing their presentations or for sessions where you're presenting recorded videos. With these sessions, you have options on how to stream them by selecting one of our stream providers. Use the Excel Events Studio to have speakers access the studio link to go on stage, where they can share their presentation and start the broadcast. What's good about this option is you will be using our native streaming service, so you don't have to take any further steps to integrate other platforms. Another great feature is that you can invite attendees to join speakers in the studio. We recommend this stream provider for hassle-free setup and easy access for your speakers. The next stream provider is Excel Events RTMP. Select this if you're using a third-party broadcasting platform like OBS or Switcher Studio. To make this work, you'll just need to copy the streaming key and RTMP URL. Then paste it into the settings of the third-party platform you're using. In this example, we're using Switcher Studio through an iPad. We copy the key and URL from the admin console and then paste it into the settings. Then we test the video settings and click the broadcast button. That's it. You'll know it's working when you check the preview. While using the RTMP option, you will be broadcasting directly from the third-party platform, and the stream will show in your Excel Events session. The next 5 options, Wistia, YouTube, Vimeo, Vidyard, and Facebook Live, allow you to broadcast videos posted in these channels. In this example, we'll go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video. Then insert that URL into the Excel Events session settings. Please note you will need to remove the first part of the URL to make it work correctly. Then, as an attendee, you can watch the YouTube video through the Excel Events session. To use Zoom as your stream provider, you will need to create a meeting or webinar on your Zoom account, then insert the meeting ID to Excel Events. Speakers will broadcast directly from Zoom, while attendees will watch the meeting or webinar through your session in Excel Events. The last stream provider allows you to upload a video file that will play during the session. Use this when speakers send you a video recording of their presentation instead of presenting it live. The third session type is a workshop session, where both attendees and speakers can interact through audio and video. Up to 25 participants can be on camera at the same time, and 250 participants can be in the session with their microphone turned on at any given time as well. With workshops, you can allow smaller groups of attendees to focus on a particular discussion by creating breakout rooms to split them up and assign them to separate rooms. Lastly, we have the networking session, where attendees can connect with other attendees through one-on-one video calls. The networking sessions randomly match attendees, and as a host, you can set how long each pair can meet. If the attendees are having a good time connecting, they can always click the Extend button. They can also choose to leave the meeting, or just let the clock run out. When they are done, they can connect again with another random attendee when they're ready. This pattern will repeat for the entire session, allowing attendees to interact with many new people. And that's it. Feel free to reach out anytime 24/7 via the chat bubble in the lower right-hand corner if any other questions arise. Thanks so much.